The video will show how the machine operates. So the bottle is placed. It will open, wait 2 seconds, and it goes back to its beginning position, and the bottle is open.
With this button, knob, I'm able to adjust the brightness of it. And if I come over here and turn on the lights, it should turn off. Now if I turn it back,
music.
Have you ever been eating jelly beans and you just got that flavor that you didn't like? I made a jelly bean sorter to solve this issue. Hi, I'm Wim Lowndyke and I made the jelly bean sorter. This gets rid of these white and pink nasty ones and gives you your favorites, like the cherry reds. You simply put them in the sorter and it sorts them out for you. So if I grab a handful like this, we can see all of our favorite jelly beans going into the perfect containers.